car was idling for a few minutes, and it is obvious turbo malfunction. I believe that the main reason why it failed is the angle of the oil drain and oil feed. It should be not more than 16 degrees, and it's obviously more, twice as that, 35 approximately. So I need to solve that, but it has no room here. It's going to be pretty difficult. We'll see.
Place where they told you what to chase, told you how to run the race. Every move was on the page, but I didn't like their way. Had to fight and misbehave, had to find a way to change, had to leave to find my way. Caught up in a daydream, I beat my mind up there almost daily. It's how I pass time, no opinions safely. It's how I understand what I want in this place, see. Cause everybody wanna tell you bad things, what could go wrong, what fame brings. But success is a finicky thing, and if you ain't sure, no, it'll never be. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't wanna let myself down, myself down. I don't have to plan it, I can go change my fate. You won't understand it, all alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them, they don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing, and I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my life.
Though it's completely new, I don't like the shred. It's visible that it starts 6 millimeters after the edge. It's not supposed to be like that. On the original, the shred starts right next to the edge. Otherwise, it fits nicely.
All alone, that's okay. People, I can't stand them. They don't want me to change. Keep me where I'm standing. And I don't wanna be where I am. And I want something more, take a chance. It could be possibly my last dance, my last dance. I don't wanna let myself down, myself. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign. I wanna be the greatest. Everybody on the fake shit. I look around and feel like everybody is the fakest. I make this every day and I'm impatient, hoping one day I blow up from the basement. Statement, the top is so vacant. I don't hear shit that I think is amazing. Waiting for my day when I'm playing sold out shows for 1,000 faces. foot down. It ain't your place, no, this my town. If I want that shit, then I'll get it right now. I'm losing it, the losing fits, I'm losing shit. A stupid myth, you choose to live or choose to dip. You choose to fight or lose your grip and lose a gift. Oh, I feel like I'm losing my mind.
My van was idling for a few minutes now, and as you can see, there is no visible oil leaks on the pavement, and I'm really happy with that. Apparently it's a permanent fix. Also, I have noticed when I was driving, I have done few hundred kilometers now, and when I was driving and stopping at the traffic light, I have noticed that when I had the green one and was accelerating, I had a big smoke of white fumes, and nothing like that anymore. Happy with the results. Thanks for watching, and bye for now.